Hello and welcome to the Mastercam 2018 Lathe Video Training Series tutorial number 7. In this tutorial, we will open a SOLIDWORKS file in Mastercam. We will then need to create the geometry used to machine the part from the supplied solid model. We will create the lower profile of the part in the top view on its own level. The profile of the part will be created using the Turn Profile command. The part will be properly orientated when we select the VTL CNC machine. We will then set up the stock and chuck jaws as it would appear on the VTL. We will then create facing, roughing, finishing, and threading toolpaths on the outer diameter. We will create drilling, finishing, and grooving toolpaths on the inner diameter. A chain will be flipped to reverse the direction of a finish pass. This tutorial makes use of a file downloaded from emastercam.com/training files. This file should have been saved when you created tutorial number 3. Because this tutorial covers machining a part in a VTL machine, it is important to make sure that in the Toolpaths Manager, no machine is selected. If there is a machine here, click on File, New, and there should be no machines in this manager. First, we will open the SOLIDWORKS file in Mastercam. From the Quick Access toolbar, select the Open icon. Navigate to where you downloaded your file. In my case, I saved them to Downloads, Mastercam 2018 Lathe Training Tutorial Files. Then, change the file type to SOLIDWORKS. Click on the tutorial number 7 file, not the exercise file, and click Open. Change the view to isometric. You can press Alt-S to see the file in shaded or unshaded mode. We will now change the main level to 2. From the Levels Manager, change the name to Solid. Then, change the number to 2 and enter the name Turn Profile Geometry and press Enter. In this step, we will use the solid we imported from SOLIDWORKS and create geometry from it. Turn Profile will create a 2D profile from an existing solid, solid face, or surface. The profile will be created in the top view of the active work coordinate system by either spinning the solid about the x-axis or creating a cross-section through the selected solid in the XY plane. Click on Wireframe. Then, under Shapes, select Turn Profile. Next, click on the solid. You can end the selection by clicking End Selection or pressing Enter on your keyboard. For Method, select Spin, and for Profile, select Lower Profile. Spin is used to create a profile by spinning the solid about the WCS x-axis. Slice is used to create the profile from a slice through the middle of the solid in the WCS XY plane. Tessellation tolerance sets the maximum allowed deviation of a given triangular facet from the selected surfaces. And Profile controls whether the upper, lower, or both halves of the profile are created. Select the OK button to generate the geometry. In the Levels Manager, click in the visible column next to Level 1 to hide the geometry on that level. The geometry in Level 2 should appear as shown. Notice how the part is oriented, as if we are programming a standard lathe toolpath. When we select the VTL machine definition, the geometry will be rotated 90 degrees automatically for us. VTL stands for Vertical Turret Lathe. A VTL works with the same concept as a horizontal lathe, except the turret is mounted on the floor and the part is machined vertically. To save your file, click on File and select Save As.